we have here? The king size bed. We have mini bar. You have water here. You can make your coffee here. And we have also mini fridge, TV. You have Netflix here. You can chill. And here you have the hair dryer, towel. You have safety box for your jewelries. You can hang your clothes too. And then welcome to the toilet and bath. So, come in. And this is the shower area. It's so pretty, it's neat, and it's clean. We're going to stay here for 3 days.
Let me show you the view outside. So those paintings belong to the owner of this villa named Aji, the famous painter in Bali, Indonesia. So look at the view, it's so beautiful. Yes, as we walk outside, you can see there is motorcycles over there. Those motorcycles are for rental. You can rent it for the whole day or for how many days as you want. What I love about this villa is the view, the environment, the greenery. You're so close to nature. It's so beautiful, and look at that. It's hidden paradise. And not to mention the location. You are close to everything.
Checkout time today. We're going to check out and move to Seminyak. This place is paradise.
We stayed here for 3 nights. Now we are moving to Seminyak, beach side of Bali, Indonesia. If you are looking where to stay here in Ubud, then I highly recommend you this villa. It's beautiful, clean, friendly, and good location. Also, if you love Instagram, they have this breakfast in the baskets too. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye!